Over the last few videos, we've covered a lot of ground on downsizing right here in Guelph. And today, I want to bring it all together and show you exactly how this all connects to the neighborhood series I've been building on this channel. If this is your first video in the series, go back and start from the beginning, and I'll leave the links right here below so you can do that pretty easily. And while you're there, grab the free Guelph relocation guide. It's also in the description. It ties directly into everything we're going to talk about. Let's quickly recap what we've seen. On video 1, why downsizing might genuinely be the best decision of this next chapter: freedom, equity, lifestyle. In video 2, how to plan it properly, timeline, decluttering, the hidden costs, and why selling and buying in the same market works in your favor. In video 3, where in Guelph this actually makes sense: Riverside Park or other mature pockets like mini lakes and condo alternatives. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to help many people like you who are considering a downsizing move. And my most recent favorable memory is a client that I met over 18 years ago at the beginning of my career. I've helped their children buy and sell homes. I've helped them buy and sell homes. And this last one is a little bit bittersweet because they sold their home in Guelph and moved to their downsizing dream all the way in Kincardine. And it was a fantastic opportunity for me, and I enjoyed every single minute of it. But here's the reality. Their journey didn't start the moment they listed their house. It started many, many weeks, even months, even years prior to their actual move. And the planning of it made it a success. And another story that I want to tell you has to do with a couple that were downsizing and actually moving to the country brand new. They were Canadians, but have lived in the US for probably about 20 years, and they're moving back home for their retirement. I met them online years and years ago, and it took them probably 3 to 4 years of planning to find the perfect spot, the perfect house, and plan their perfect downsizing journey. And today, they found their perfect house and they're living happily ever after. This is the pattern that I see over and over again. Once someone has the plan and the destination figured out, the fear disappears. It begins excitingly instead of overwhelmingly. Here's the thing about downsizing. It's not just about the house, it's about life around the house. That's exactly what my neighborhood series is for. I've walked through Riverside Park, the South End, the West End, Courtright Hills, St. George's Park, Holy Rosary Exhibition Park, Grange Hill East, downtown Guelph, and many, many more. Every one of those videos gives you the real, honest picture of what daily life looks like there, not just the listing photos. My suggestion: watch this downsizing video first to get clear on your why and your plan. Then go through the neighborhood series and treat it like a shortlist builder. Cross off where it doesn't fit, circle what does. By the time we talk, you already know more about the city than most people who've lived here for their entire life. If you are still on the fence, that's completely normal. This is a big decision and it should feel big. But remember what we talked about in video 1. Waiting too long takes the choice out of your hands. Planning early keeps it in yours. When you decide this is the year, here's what working with me actually looks like. We start with an honest conversation. No pressure, no pitch, just a real look at your numbers, your timeline, and your goals. From there, we build the plan we've been talking about this whole series. Well, that's the full downsizing series. Why, how, and where. And if you've been considering this move, start with the free Guelph relocation guide in the description. And when you're ready for that honest conversation, I'm just a call or text away. Go check out the full neighborhood series if you haven't already. There's a video in there that might just tell you exactly where you belong next. I'm Andrew Somerville from DNA Homes. This is Guelph, and your next chapter can look really good here.